Show, I understand. But Hanoho, you guys like yes mo? Yeah, guys. Alright. Don't forget, the CDs are off to the side over here. Made in Hawaii Festival, First Hawaii Bank. Thank you for coming up. Kameme School's bringing you the entertainment all weekend long right here in the Peacocky Room. One more time. One more from Kuana Torres Kahele. We go in.
Mahalo. Before I do that last song, how's about a round of applause for these guys over here? Brother Ioane and Brother Greg. Two fabulous guys. We're gonna do one more song for you guys and take you to the island of... Where is it from? Maui. A song that takes you to a harbor that was composed by a number of people: Charles Maxwell, Malia Craver, and of course Mr. Kenneth Makuakane. A song that speaks for the beauty of an era known as Honokahua, and this song is entitled Honokahua Nani. Hello, Nani. My name is Kwana Kaskari.
Wow! One more time, a big round of applause. You want it? Yeah, and right smack dab in the middle, Kuwana Torres Kahele. Woo! Unreal, eh?